Manitoba chicken salads tonight on Great Tastes of Manitoba. We are here with Manitoba Chicken's Gina Sunderland, and we're on to recipe number 3, chicken, melon, and avocado salad. So straight out, I've just, how did you come up with this combination of flavors? Because I was like, well, melon and chicken, okay. So how did your brain come up with this one?
Well, I certainly had a little help, but I have to say I love contrasting flavors. And so the sweet, the savory, the crunchy, and the creamy avocado, and the lovely citrus dressing, it all comes together. And I think it looks beautiful. It's wonderful and summery, but it also can look festive. So it's great any time of year. And we have these great little mini melons that we can get, watermelons year round. So just so
That's
fresh.
True. I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to try it.
It's delicious.
So it seems pretty straightforward. How do we kind of get started here?
Okay, well, something I love to do, and we were talking about this earlier, is I love to cook chicken in advance. And I poach the chicken for this salad. It's so moist. You just cook it on the stove top. And something neat, so we use 3 cooked chicken breasts for the salad cubed. Something neat about chicken is, did you know that you can actually cook chicken and freeze it?
I mean, it's something I always hesitated doing a bit, and I don't even know why, but you're saying go for it?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
You know, it's a huge time-saving step. So you cook up a bunch of chicken, cube it, slice it, shred it, measure it out, label it in a freezer bag, and then
just
you
use
can
it up later? Is there any way to
Exactly.
like thaw it out specifically, or just...
Yeah, thaw it overnight in the fridge, and it will keep in the freezer for 3 months.
Wow.
So yeah, you can do a little bit of meal prep and then have your chicken for all kinds of things like this delicious salad.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's start with the 3 chicken breasts cubed and cooked.
Okay.
And get you to stir it. And we've got 3 cups of watermelon.
Do you want to,
Yes,
like, I guess
good.
stir it too much, because when you break
it's
up
good.
that watermelon, I don't want to get that all mushy.
No, it looks like you're doing great.
Okay.
And 1 English cucumber. I like to cut this salad kind of chunky.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's like the concept of a Greek salad, but with fruit. And then we've got our wonderful Peak of the Market sweet yellow bell pepper and sweet red onion. So the colors does
my goodness.
come together and it pops. So I need you to stir that a little bit.
Okay.
And then we've got 1 avocado, and this is just such a nice creamy element to this salad because the dressing is very light.
Right.
Okay.
Wow. Gosh, that's just so
Doesn't that look great?
beautiful.
Yeah. So now I was wondering if you could help me make this delicious citrus dressing that we've been talking about.
Right. Fine.
Okay. So a 1/4 cup of canola oil.
Okay.
Nice light oil. And we've got a 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice. So that's about the juice of 1 orange.
Okay.
And 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. So again, about the juice of 1 lime. And we just got a little dash of salt and pepper. So about 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper and about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So whisk it up.
My whisking technique, I sometimes do this,
Sure.
but I don't want I also normally don't cook in a suit.
Right,
Unless it's Sunday.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
Oh,
so
that looks nice. And I can
enough?
smell the citrus. It's
do
beautiful.
you need more, Gina, or is that
I
good
think
enough?
that looks absolutely
All right,
perfect.
here we go.
Excellent,
Okay.
excellent. Yeah, so it's such a light dressing. And then just to bring all the flavors together, there's nothing like a little bit of fresh herbs. So we have...
Do you want me to just dump the whole thing, or are we just sprinkling?
Sure, just go ahead, sprinkle. That is a 1/4 cup of fresh mint.
Mint.
And I love it. It's just...
Well, with the watermelon, that's going to be wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Yeah. Okay. And then what?
And
first
then,
thing?
yeah, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro.
Oh, cilantro.
Yeah.
I've been doing this for 6 years. You think I'd be able to tell the difference at this point?
Well,
Nope.
you know what? You can use either or.
Thank you, Gina.
That's
All right.
All right.
Okay, and so now does this need to sit for a while so that the flavors kind of like...
You know what? You can let it sit in the fridge for about 15 minutes and all the flavors meld beautifully and it gets everything nice and cold. The salad is delicious chilled. And you can serve it right away if you wish.
Yeah, I guess you would
either
want
or.
to serve that one chilled because of the watermelon. You would want that to be
it's
like...
delicious.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, fantastic. So there we go, 3 recipes tonight. Something very special that we're doing this season here in Great Tastes of Manitoba is we are meeting the people who bring some of these the foods that we use on the show every week. Manitoba Farmers, season 31 is all about that. So we're going to introduce you to another farm family when we come back here on Great Tastes of Manitoba. Don't go anywhere.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, filmed on location at Supper Central at Kenaston Commons.